Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. I'm back with a winter, weekly, monthly reset. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a video like this. Doing these things just really help me feel like I have my life together going into a new week. Also, please let me know. I was thinking about doing a home reset, decluttering, organizing, refreshing my decorations. Let me know if you guys would like to see a closet clean out within that video or if I should do a whole separate closet clean out. Please let me know your guys' thoughts on that or just any other videos that you'd like to see in January, February, even like spring. I'd love to know like what you guys actually like to see. So please let me know. So today I'm just gonna have like a slow, relaxing morning. I kind of want to make some pancakes and of course some coffee. I'm also just gonna reset my space. Having a clean space just makes me feel so motivated and productive. That's what we're gonna do today. That's like my main focus, but there's some other things I want to do as well to kind of reset for the week. Let's just get into it. First things first, I'm gonna do my red light mask, take all my bedding off and get them in the wash. So that way those can be washing and drying while I'm doing everything else. Let's get into it. Having breakfast, blueberry pancakes, vanilla latte. This latte is so good. I used homemade vanilla syrup, which I made in the vlog that I'm posting next week. So good. It's like the perfect vanilla latte. It's a super easy recipe too. Blueberry pancakes are also really good. I pretty much never make pancakes. Seriously, they're so good. I'm glad I did this. I just spent so much time trying to do the slick back. The whole reason I did the slick back was to do something quick. I could not get the bun. Let's just get started on the cleaning. I'm gonna start my kitchen and just kind of work my way through my apartment. Try to get everything deep cleaned in the next hour or so. We're gonna take a little pause in the cleaning and do a PR unboxing haul. Starting off with Coco and Eve. I got their Express Tanning Mousse. This is one of my favorite self-tanners. I feel like it works the fastest when I'm in a hurry. I love this one. It's also just really good. It has a good color. I've never tried this before. This is their face tanning mist. I've seen really good before and afters and heard really great things about this. Definitely gonna be trying this out. Next is Dib. They sent a couple products. Mini Shimmer Blush Contour Stick. I tried this. I feel like they have really good blush and contour sticks. Their Love Beam Perfector. It's a blurring and glowing skin perfector. I just saw a video where somebody was using this and it looked really pretty. Next up is Dr. Brandt. I just tried their face exfoliator the other day. It's in my upcoming vlog that's coming next week. It made my skin so soft. I'll show you guys like a clip using it. It literally made my skin feel like I got a dermaplane or facial. It was so soft. Got a few products from Dr. Brandt. This is their Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to use this tonight. I feel like that's the perfect thing for like the winter. I also got their No More Baggage Eye Gel and Fatigue Fighting Eye Gel. I don't really have an eye cream that I absolutely love and can tell a difference when I use it, so I'll definitely be trying these. Theirs. And then in October, my friend got invited to a brand trip with theirs, and I went as like a +1. Their team was so nice and learning about their brand. I had never really used any of their products before that. I'm excited to see what they sell over. Cute. Looks like it's their Milky line. I don't think there was any Milky products. I only brought back like the toner and a couple other things. Never tried any of these products, but I've heard amazing things. Everyone that was there was saying how good these are. Hydrating Milky Cleanser, Hydrating Milky Toner, which this is the product I feel like everybody was raving about, and I've never tried it. I think it's just a more hydrating version of their regular toner. This Milky Moisturizer. Oh my goodness, so excited to try these. Love this packaging. It's so cute with the stripes. This is from Day. Ooh, my camera battery died. It literally dies like every 10 minutes. I'm not even kidding. I just keep having to rotate them out. They sent over their new Fairy Blaster Dry Texturizing Spray. It says that it builds texture, adds volume, refreshes styles for the effortless lived-in look like you just stepped out of a daydream. Also really excited about this because I've been wanting one of these. I talked about this in my gift guide video. I've been really wanting a little brush like this. I feel like this will be so perfect for a blowout. I saved the best for last. Loving Tan came out with some new packaging for their products. I think they sent like their whole entire line. I love Loving Tan. This is gorgeous. I love their new packaging. It's so aesthetic. It's available at Ulta. Got the 2 Hour Express Face Self-Tanning Serum. I really want to try their freckle pen. I think it's out of stock. Their 2 Hour Express 8 Hour Deluxe in dark. Look how pretty that is. I love it. Their Platinum, their Gradual Self-Tanning Lotion. Looks like they changed the applicator mitts as well. So excited to try these. It's the same formula just with new packaging, but I'm excited to use these. I love Loving Tan. That's my little PR haul. Now I just need to put all this away, and I need to make my bed, and then we can move on to the next step of this reset. A little bit later. My apartment is completely clean, which makes me feel so fresh and motivated and organized and productive going into the week. Literally cleaned every single room, every single area. The only thing that I really didn't get to is my laundry. I have like a big pile of laundry that needs put away. That's something really easy that I could do like tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, like watching TV or something. The next thing I like to do is just get organized and kind of plan for the week. My biggest priority is usually kind of looking over my budget and paying any bills. It's like currently about to be the end of the month, so I want to go through, get any of my bills paid. Also just like planning for the week, like actually looking at my calendar and time blocking and figuring out like what I need to film, what I need to edit, just like any appointments, like what I need to get done this week, and then planning out meals and then getting my grocery order ready to pick up. I like to order anything I need and just do that for curbside pickup. I'm not planning on going anywhere today, so I'm just gonna pick it up tomorrow, but I'm gonna at least get everything in my cart. That's pretty much like the main things that I like to do to kind of prep for the week. Also kind of making some goals. That's what I'm gonna do. Also, something random. I did a digital declutter in my last vlog, but I want to make that part of my reset routine. I feel like the clutter builds up so quickly from like downloading music for vlog, like airdropping pictures for a thumbnail, going through and actually deleting those. It helps clear up space. Now I'm just doing a brain dump and kind of writing down the things that I want to get done this week, and then I'm going to make a schedule, kind of figure out what days I want to get what things done. The last thing I want to do is just some self-care. I want to take an everything shower. I'm going to focus on my hair. I recently received some new products from Briogeo, and I don't think I've ever tried any of their products. I got like a scalp exfoliating shampoo and then a deep conditioning hair mask. So I'm going to use both of those. I also used their scalp oil earlier today when I did my slick back, and then I'm going to do a blowout so my hair can feel and look good going into the week. Also in the shower, I'm going to use my Salt and Stone body wash in the saffron and cedar scent. It smells so good. So that is the last thing we're going to do. Out of the shower, I took an everything shower. My hair felt really good as I was like rinsing it out, so I'm curious to see what my hair looks like. So I'm just gonna do some skincare and a blowout. Also, how cute is this little striped towel? I got it from H&M. I'll have it linked below. It was like $10, $15. It was pretty cheap. I'm gonna try this recovery sleeping mask from Dr. Brandt. I'll have it linked below. All the products I've tried from them have been so good. It smells really minty and fresh. I'm now just gonna do a blowout. My hair is naturally wavy. It's hard to get my blowouts to look smooth and not frizzy. So I'm gonna use this Unite Anti-Frizz Thermo Mist. This is a new product from them. It's so good. It makes my hair really smooth. I'll have it linked below. I actually have a discount code with them. It's Emily Grace 20. This literally makes my hair look so smooth. All the products I've tried from Unite have been really good. Last time I got my hair cut, she actually recommended me to use some of these products as well. It's like a really good brand, so definitely check it out. So I'm just gonna spritz some of this in my hair and then add a leave-in conditioner and a hair oil. Here's how my hair turned out. I think it looks really good. It looks very smooth. That is actually everything for this video. I'm so glad I took the time to reset. I literally feel so fresh and motivated going into the week ahead. Waking up to a clean space just already makes me feel more productive. I love a good reset. They're literally one of my favorite videos to watch and one of my favorite videos to film. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Comment below some videos that you'd like to see on my channel this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I'll see you in a week for my next one. Bye.